Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Patrick and partners, along with Bob Iacchino. So the triggered double, ran up, hit the stop reduction level and the other side of the rotation zone, and rotated back down. So that trade is over because it only hit the stop reduction level and then rotated back down. This is enough to qualify also for a triple bottom. So that rotation zone is still holding in place nicely. Key levels we're watching tomorrow above 89.70. We'll start shifting into slightly more bullish mode because that'll be above the rotation zone and above these two candle bodies and above this little ledge right here, this major little support ledge that turned into resistance. So that's the key area we'll be watching. If we break above there, right now it's still favoring downside moves or consolidation. It's in consolidation. It did rotate back down, but it did not make a new low. So I'm just starting to watch this as a horizontal channel. Key level to the downside is about 87.50. If we get below 87.50, I'll start watching for a return to 86.55 area, then 85.10. Check on that daily chart. Daily chart, which was in bullish and now has gone to neutral, and it might actually shift to bearish mode if we get the first cross, but we do not have it yet. So I'm just going to be watching those key levels on the 4-hour chart that I mentioned. If we do get above 91.81 on the daily, that would probably avoid the cross of the rotation zone and start pulling it back up and get above the most recent daily resistance. Key support coming in just in front of that 85.10 at about 85.50. So on a further sell-off, really focus on 85.50 first. If we break below that, then 85.10. Looking at Ethereum, we had that double, went to target, then just drifting sideways, cross the rotation zone, catching on the rotation zone, rotating lower, finding some key support right around that 197 area. Those little candle bodies right there, we spiked down through it. Let me see if I zoom out. Right there, and then you see this little support ledge right there. That's why you look at the candle bodies first and foremost. Don't focus on the wicks, focus on the candle bodies. Gives you really good areas to target. Okay, now if you wanted to put on your Fibonacci to the downside, just see we're still in this horizontal pattern, but we can, oops, sorry about that. Let me grab it there and put on my forward harmonics. There we go. So you can see we have not got a key close. This is the ledge we're watching. I just really watch for a close below 196.65. If we did get that 194.82, 192.99, then the most recent swing lows. These are minor levels just to watch if it starts to sell off. If you're going from the short side, then those are areas to move stops or take profits. If you're looking for the long side, those areas to only watch for reversal patterns. Key resistance still coming in right about the 210, and then we have that major level 215. So we're just caught in this big channel. Until we break out of it, it's just a really scalping. Look at this. Besides this little breakdown shakeout move, we've been in this horizontal area since we entered it. I mean, I consider entering it on April 29th. So, and today is May 26th. So nearly a month we've been in the majority of the time in this range. So that's why we have to get out of this range, at least watching the most recent support and resistance. The most recent support and resistance is support about 198.60. Resistance, most recent, is about 207.50. So that's at least the first levels I'd watch for that would signal a potential breakout or breakdown. Until we get above those, not really interested in doing too much. So we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.